In this video, I'm going to find the vertex, line of symmetry, domain, range, and intercepts of this quadratic equation in vertex form. So I'm going to start with the domain, and it's all real numbers. So I can plug anything in I want for x. So now I'm going to do the vertex, but before that I do that, I'll identify my a, which is 1/2, my h, which is 7, and my k, which is -8. So my vertex is the opposite of h comma k. So in this case, it's going to be -7 comma -8. My line of symmetry is x equals the opposite of h. So in this case, it's going to be x is equal to -7. It's also the x coordinate of my vertex. And then let's do the range. So my a is equal to 1/2, which is greater than 0. So that means y is going to be greater than or equal to k. So in this case, y is greater than or equal to -8. It's also my y coordinate of the vertex. Now I'm going to do my intercepts. So I'm going to do the y-intercept first. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in 0 for x. And then all I have to do in this case is simplify. So when I add this together, I'm going to get 7. So 0 plus 7 is 7. And then I'm going to go ahead and square the 7. So I get 1/2 times 49. And then that's going to give me 49 over 2 minus 16 over 2. So I went ahead and got common denominators for that. So that's going to give me 33 over 2. So my y-intercept is located at 0, 33 over 2. And I can't reduce that fraction, so I'm going to leave it that way. So now I'm going to find my x-intercept. So to find the x-intercept, I'm going to plug in 0 for y. And then simplify, or solve. I'm going to solve it for x. So when I solve this for x, I need to get this square quantity all by itself. So the first thing I'm going to do is add 8 to both sides. Next thing I have to do is get rid of the 1/2. So I can either divide both sides by 1/2, or I can multiply both sides by 2. So dividing by 1/2, it's the same thing as multiplying by 2. So I have 16 is equal to x plus 7 squared. Now I'm going to take the square root of both sides. When I take a square root, I have to remember it's plus or minus. So the square root of 16 is 4. So I have plus or minus 4. So now this is giving me two equations. I have 4 is equal to x plus 7, and -4 is equal to x plus 7. So I'm going to subtract 7 from both sides. So in one case I get -3, and in the other case I get -11. So I have two x-intercepts, which I'm going to write up here. I have -3, 0, and -11, 0.